Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In a previous video, we have discussed one of the functions of human resource management, that is managerial functions of human resource management. In this video, we will be discussing about operative functions of human resource management. What are the operative functions of human resource management? Operative function is the second function of human resource management. Operative functions are those tasks or duties which are specially entrusted to human resource or personnel department. These are concerned with employment, development, compensation, integration, and maintenance of personnel of the organization. Which means operative functions deals with employment, development, compensation, integration, and maintenance. Let us see what are the different functions of operative functions are. Operative functions of human resource management are broadly divided into 7 functions. Procurement or recruitment function, development and training function, compensation and benefits function, employee and industrial relations function, maintenance function, motivation function, and then integration function. Let us now see each function in detail. Recruitment and selection function. Recruitment of candidates is the function preceding the selection which brings the pool of prospective candidates for the organization so that the management can select the right candidate from the pool. In this function, recruitment of candidates happens in a prospective way, and selection of prospective candidates is very much important for making this function in a right way. Job analysis and design. Job analysis is the process of describing the nature of job and specifying the human requirements like qualification, skills, and work experience to perform that job. Job design aims to underlining and organizing tasks, duties, and responsibilities into a unit of work for the achievement of certain objectives. In any organization or for any job role, job analysis and job design is very important. With the help of job analysis and design, it is easy for the management to give prospective roles and responsibilities to an employee for doing his or her job in the right way. In this job analysis and design, qualification, skills, and work experience are designed in such a way that the resource will be selected or recruited as per the requirement of the project. This helps in getting the best output from the prospective resource. Then comes performance appraisal. Human resource professionals are required to perform this function to ensure that the performance of employee is at acceptable level. Training and development. This function of human resource management helps the employees to acquire skills and knowledge to perform their jobs effectively. Training and development programs are organized for both new and existing employees. Employees are prepared for higher level responsibilities through training and development. The function training and development helps the resource to improvise themselves in respect of their skills where they can be utilized in the future projects as well as in the current projects depending upon the requirement of the project. Training can be given to new employees as well as the existing employees depending upon the requirement of the project. So, by training and developing the resource, it will be easy for the management to take the work in a prospective way and in a better way. Wage and salary administration. Human resource management determines what is to be paid for different types of jobs. Human resource management decides employees' compensation, which includes wage administration, salary administration, incentives, bonuses, fringe benefits, etc. Wage and salary administration gives a clear picture what salary to be paid for which resource. Depending upon the experience and depending on the job role, the salaries are decided. By the help of salary and wage administration, it helps the management to give right salary for the right resource for the right job. Employee welfare. This function refers to various services, benefits, and facilities that are provided to employees for their well-being. In any company, employee welfare is very important because employees are family of an organization, so each employee should be treated with respect to health and welfare, which makes the employee comfortable and happy and secure to work with the company. Maintenance. Human resource is considered to be an asset for the organization. Employees' turnover is not considered good for the organization. Human resource management always try to keep their best performing employees with the organization. Which means human resources are very important for any organization to run successfully. Hence, human resources are treated as asset to any organization. For making an employee stick to the company for a longer duration, employees should be treated well and motivated so that we can keep the resource or the employee with the organization for a longer duration. Labor relations. This function refers to the interaction of human resource management with employees who are represented by a trade union. Employees comes together and forms an union to obtain more voice in decisions affecting wage, benefits, working conditions, etc. This function refers to the relationship between the human resource management with the employee represented by a trade union. In these labor relations, employees come together and forms a union and ask to the management for the better benefits, and this union becomes the voice of the employees asking for the benefits with the management. Industrial relations. These days, the responsibility of maintaining good industrial relations is also discharged by the human resource manager. The human resource manager can help in collective bargaining, joint consultation, and settlement of disputes if the need arises. This is because of the fact that he is in possession of full information relating to personnel and has the working knowledge of various labor enactments. Industrial relations are very much followed in manufacturing sectors and industries. It is very important role for a human resource manager to maintain industrial relations with the employees. In these industrial relations, the human resource management has to be collectively bargain and settle the disputes whenever arises within the employees or employees with the management. Hence, industrial relation function is one of the most important functions of human resource management. Then comes the motivation function. Employees work in an organization for the satisfaction of their needs. In many of the cases, it is found that they do not contribute towards the organization goals as much as they can. This happens because employees are not adequately motivated. The human resource manager helps the various departmental managers to design a system of financial and non-financial rewards to motivate the employees. Which means in any organization, employee has to be motivated with recognition or rewards. This helps in making the employee happy and satisfactory in working in an organization. When the employee is happy and motivated, he or she will stick to the company for a longer duration and will be very much oriented towards the objectives and goals of the organization. So dear friends, I hereby conclude that we have seen and discussed all the different functions of operative function of human resource management. If you have any queries or questions, please ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out by answering your queries. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.